Good morning to all. 7th Standard Biology Chapter 2 Nutrition in Animals. In previous class, I hope all are understand the human digestion. All are read the lesson also. Okay. In human digestion, some processes are various processes involved in utilization of food in humans. Okay. So, the human digestion is many parts are you study. First one, buccal cavity, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, rectum, anus, and also last one anus. That's all. Okay, this is human digestive system. Okay. In human digestive systems, some various processes are here. The first one, digestion. You already know the simple complex food is changed into the complex substance, food substance is changed into simple form, that is digestion. Okay. The first one, ingestion. What is ingestion? The process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. The ingestion process is mouth part. Okay, in the mouth part, the process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. The next one, the process by which the food containing large insoluble substance is broken down into small water soluble substance called digestion. There are two methods of digesting food. First one, physical method, including chewing, grinding of food and food in mouth. The teeth are used. And the chemical method, addition to digestive juices to food by the body itself. Some digestive juices, what are some digestive juices? Pancreas, liver, bile juice. Okay. The bile juice are deposited gallbladder. It is secreted liver. Okay. It is secreted liver. Okay. Then next process, the process by which the digested food passes through the intestinal wall in the bloodstream is called absorption. The absorption takes place in villi. Okay. Then the process by which the absorbed food is taken in body cells and used for energy, growth and repair is called assimilations. Okay. The first one what? The first one is ingestion and then absorption, then assimilation, the last one digestion. The process by which the undigested food is removed from the body is called digestion. Okay. The four processes are you study about the human digestive systems. Okay. Sorry, ma'am. Next we study about the, you see that slide. Next we study about the nutrition in ruminant. Nutrition in ruminant. What is ruminant? The animal which eat grass are called herbivorous. The grass eating animals are called herbivorous animals. This is ruminant. Okay. These animals are called a ruminant. Okay. First, grass eating animals are known as a ruminant. Animals like cows, goat and buffaloes eat grass. These animals swallow grass quickly and stored in a sac-like structures called the rumen or called the rumen. Okay, rumen forms the first stomach and is four-chambered. The stomach is have a four-chambered. Here food is partially digested and is called the gut. The partially digested food is called the gut. Okay. Plants contain cellulose in large quantities. Cellulose is a complex structure which is broken down into simpler particles in the rumen. Okay, the cellulose is a complex one. Okay, which is broken down into simpler particles in the rumen. The process where gut returns to the mouth in small lumps for ruminant to chew is called rumination. The rumination is aided by bacteria present in the rumen, which break down cellulose in plants. The digested food is then passed to the reticulum. Okay, it passed to the reticulums. Some animals, including humans, cannot digest cellulose for its complex structure. Some animals, including rabbits and horses, have a large sac-like structure called cecum, which is present between the food pipe or the esophagus and the small intestine. Cellulose present in the food is digested by the action of bacteria, which human do not possess. The best example, deer, goat, zebra, horse, etc. Okay, deer, goat, zebra, horse, etc. Then we goes to a next one, feeding and digestion in amoeba. Amoeba is, you know that amoeba is a single cell organism. Amoeba is a single cell organism. You already studied. Yes or no? The food digestion is a single cell, and the food digestion and also digested waste one and reproductions all are single ones. Okay. So the animal, the organism is called single cell organism. It's a best example. Single cell organism, best example, amoeba. Okay. Feeding and digestion in amoeba. You see that the picture, that is amoeba. Amoeba is a microscopic single celled organism. Okay. It is a microscopic single cell organism which is found in pond water. It is a very simple animal and cannot be seen by naked eyes. Okay. Amoeba has a cell membrane, a rounded dense nucleus and many small bubble-like vacuoles in its cytoplasm. These vacuoles are of two types. Example, food vacuole and a contractive vacuole. Food vacuole contains food surrounded by water, while contractile vacuole contains a liquid or water and controls water regulation activity in amoeba. Its shape is not fixed. Okay, its shape is not fixed. Example, it constantly changes its shape and position. The body of amoeba has finger-like projections called pseudopodia or false feet. That is called false feet. Okay. It captures food and helps in locomotion of amoeba. The food of amoeba are microscopic organisms like tiny plants and animals. present in pond water. It is present in pond water. When amoeba senses its food, it pushes out pseudopodia around the food particle and engulf it. The two pseudopodia joined around the food particles and trap the food particle with a little water forming vacuoles around food. Thus, the food gets trapped. Digestive juices present inside the vacuole act on the food and break it down simpler substance. This digested food is then absorbed and is used for growth, maintenance, and multiplication of amoeba. The undigested food residue is expelled outside by the vacuole. The basic process of digestion of food and release of energy is as similar to the other organism. Okay, students, I hope all understand this lesson. Okay, then we goes to the book back exercise. Take a page number 20.